ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
There is an arithmetic progression in which you will see T1, T2, T3, so on, Tn, so on. It is arithmetic progression. Suppose you add up first term, second term. What is that called? Sum of two terms. What is S2? T1 plus T2. What is S3 represents? T1 plus T2 plus T3. If 3 terms are added, it is called sum to 3 terms. If 4 terms are added, it is sum to 4 terms. If I mention Sn, what do you mean by that? T1 plus so on Tn. Look at the formula. Sum to n terms is nothing but the sum of first n terms. Now let us come back. What is the first term? A. What is the second term? A plus D. So all are added up. Am I right? A plus 2D. Look at this. A plus n minus 1 into D. All these are added up. After simplification, what it happens to be, I am telling you, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for sum to n terms. The same sum to n terms formula is rewritten in a different way. That also I am writing here. What is Sn? N by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into D. You can write this as n by 2 times a plus n minus 1 into D, which is T1 plus Tn. Some will write this as, in some textbooks it is written as n by 2 first term plus last term, ft plus lt. This is the formula. Now I am telling you once again, the sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression is written in 3 different formulae, all represent the same. What is the first formula? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, or first term plus last term multiplied by n by 2. The same thing in written words. Shall we do one example on this? So I will just give 2 or 3 examples, numerical examples. After that, we will go to, in the next class, geometric progression. Now I am giving you one example. 16, 11, 6 is the arithmetic progression. Find S23 is the question. This is one example. Directly also we can do, or we can find the nth term and then we can do. So shall we do it by formula method? What is the formula you learnt? N by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So what is a? 16. What is common difference? 11 minus 16. 11 minus 16. 11 is smaller, 16 is bigger. Minus 5. 6 minus 11. 11 is bigger, so minus 5. The difference is common. So S23 is equal to formula n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now I am writing the formula, applying the values. 23 by 2, what is 2a? 2 into 16 plus n minus 1, 23 minus 1, what is d? Minus 5. Separate this with the brackets, otherwise the meaning changes. This is 23 by 2, 2 into 16, 32 plus 23 minus 1, look at this, n minus 1, 22, 22 into 5, 110, minus 110, so I can write it as minus 110. So 110 minus 32, what is that? 80, 78, 78 plus 2, 80 plus 30, so it is 78. 23 into minus 78 divided by 2. 2 goes here, how many times? 23 into minus 3 times 9, 39. Find out the value. 23 into minus 39 is the answer. It is a negative answer. One more example shall we do? It is a very interesting problem. This is a day-to-day problem also. I will explain this problem with the theory. Suppose in our class there are so many students with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on up to 20.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
Your class leader is asking you to bring some amount. What is the amount he is asking? If your roll number is 1, you must give him 1 rupee. If your roll number is 2, you must give him 2 rupees. If your roll number is 20, how much you have to give? 20 rupees. So, for the 20 students, your class group leader is asking you to bring the same amount as your number is. So, how many students are there? 20 students. First student is bringing 1 rupee, second student is bringing 2 rupees, third student is bringing 3 rupees. Like that, 20 students are bringing, and the 20th student whose roll number is 20 is bringing 20 rupees. Now, my question is, how much amount is collected? Without taking the collection and counting, you must tell it with the help of the formula. For that, our Sn of AP is useful. What is A here? 1 rupee. What is common difference? 1 rupee. What is S20? Formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is n by 2? 20 by 2. 2 times 1 rupee plus 20 minus 1 into d is 1 rupee. So, simplify 10. 2 into 1 is 2. 20 minus 1 is 19 into 1, 19. 19 plus 2 is 21. 10 into 21. So, the total amount collected is 210 rupees. So, you can organize a very beautiful small puzzle like thing. So, this is a word problem from n terms, sum to n terms of arithmetic progression. Few more problems you can try using your textbook, and you can try doing with the help of sum to n terms. You can formula, you can do some more problems. There are so many word problems. If it is possible, we will discuss 1 or 2 problems in the next class.